Martin here with the next in your series of 101 property investing tips. This is number 5, and I'm going to steal another phrase from Stephen Covey, and that is sharpen the saw. And what he means by that is keep yourself up to date. It's really important that you know the latest legal issues, the latest rules and regulations, even the latest equipment or building materials that are available. You get that just from researching online or even going and studying. So it's really important that you sharpen that saw, that you keep up to date on the latest trends and the latest stuff that's available to help you be successful. That's tip number 5. If you want more information, head to Martin Roberts Property Tidbits on YouTube.